What's up guys, my name is Christian and I'm here again with another video. And it looks like my paddle shifter got here from Amazon. Let's go see where's it at. There's my 2020 Mustang GT. And yeah, like I said, it looks like we got our paddle shifter just got here from Amazon. So right now we are on our way to get my paddle shifter from the front doorsteps. Oh, there they are. Yes. They finally got here. My first mod that I do to my Mustang. Is it a G35? But I guess this is my first mod that I'm gonna do to my Mustang. Some paddle shifters. Ouch. But yeah guys, this is my 2020 Mustang GT. Okay. Now let's see, how do we install this? I never installed one of this before. Keys, unlock it. Okay, let's get in here. Careful with the camera on my head, you see it? Okay, now I have never installed one of these before. Let me get my phone out. Where's my phone? Okay. Oh my god. Now this is a nice mod that anybody could do. It's like 20 bucks, 25 bucks on Amazon. Ooh, they're gonna look so good. Okay, it looks like this side is. No, okay. It's supposed to go like this. Okay, so I got like this. Okay. Wait, what? I don't get it. Okay, let me try it the other. Okay. Oh, okay. There it goes. Like that. Wow, it's gonna look way better. For sure, it's gonna look way better. Like I said, I have never installed one of these before, so I'm guessing it just double side tape. Yep. That's trash. Okay. Like I said, I'm guessing it's just double side tape. Put that over there, this over here. Okay, I don't get it. So what is this for? It's only one long strip. Okay, let's grab this one. Put it over here somehow. Oh, okay. We're gonna put it over here like that. We're gonna grab this one. Grab that one and put it right there. Hopefully they don't fall out. You know, when I bang them gears. I'm just kidding, it's not standard. But hopefully they don't fall out while I'm, you know, paddle shift them. Paddle shift. I just don't know where this goes. Maybe it was just extra. Okay. But yeah, like I said, this should be like an easy installment. Go ahead, take tape off. There's a little bubble right there. I'm guessing this one is for this side. Is it? No. This side. Yeah. There you go. Oh my god, I don't know what to think about. Oh, okay. I don't know what to think about this. Falls off. I don't know. I don't really trust this Amazon double side tape that it came with. Here, let's take a before and after picture. That way we could post it on Instagram. That's me before. I guess we're just gonna hold it. Oh yeah, it looks way better, of course. I'm just hoping it stays. If not, we got some double-sided tape in my garage over there. Yeah. Okay guys, so we just installed those paddle shifter. Right now we're gonna turn her on and take her for a spin. Okay, turn her on. There she goes. Did a cold start. Sounds so good. But yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and let her warm up, and we're just gonna take her for a spin. Guys, welcome back. Okay, so I just had to get away from my house and you know, go through some back roads. That way, whoa, that's a cat. That way, some people, you know, I don't want to show where I live at, you know, for privacy. But yeah, they're pretty good. I thought they were not gonna stick, but they're actually sticking. Okay, let's put the exhaust down a little bit. That way you guys can hear it. That's a nice view right there. That'll be nice. That'll be nice to have a house right there. Just have a little lake in the back, a little whatever that's, pond or lake. It's 187, so it's like when it's hit like 190. Well, it's about to hit 190 right now. But look, it looks like the car's already warmed up. Right now we're gonna do a few pulls and some back roads. We're gonna let the transmission warm up a little bit. That's just like half throttle. That's nice. Woo! Getting my head turning up already. Really, something fell down here. I don't know what. Oh, my foot's right here. And it pops though. Second gear and first. Let's go left. Some cars coming. Okay. I'm trying to turn my traction off, but this radio is aftermarket. So I bought the car how it is. The only thing I've done to it was just paddle shifters. But the owner before me, he did this radio. I don't know, but traction light, it don't want to go on or off or on. Let me go first. This truck. So the traction light, the traction control, it works sometimes, and sometimes it don't work. That's the only bad thing. So I'm guessing that it's probably something loose in the back. Maybe maybe when he plugged it in, he didn't plug it in all the way, or I don't know. But I gotta take a look at that. Why is that tripping? Yeah, I wish I had the traction. That's only like half throttle. I love these back roads back here. Oh, the truck. I just watched my car. Driver. I don't want to take it too fast. I don't know who's coming. There he goes. Traction light, come on. That's full throttle. Nice. Yeah. Traction. good. Feels good. Get my hydrant up. But yeah, like I said, it's not too loud. It's perfect. Oh, fell off. It fell off. Man down. I gotta fix that when I get home. Oh, cop. Cop. And we're about to get pulled over. And we're about to get, yep, we're about to get pulled over right now. We're about to get pulled over. I just did a pool and we're about to get pulled over. Oh, maybe not. Let me take my hat off. But maybe not. Oh my god, that scared me. I guess he's gonna pull a Toyota over. I swear, I thought I was gonna get pulled over. Yep, and the guy's gonna get pulled over right now. Oh, I guess not. I'm just gonna get off. I guess not. I did a pull and that cop was right there. That scared me. That scared me. But I took the pedals off. I took the pedal shifters off. Oh man, we're good. Okay, we're good. I got so scared. I promise you, I thought he was coming for me for sure.